Hi, you're watching OC's Tech Tips. Today's tutorial is all about Adobe Spark Post. So this is a three-part series. We're going to be looking at how to set up your Adobe Spark Post. Then we're going to be looking at certain design features. And then we're going to follow up with some high-level effects that you can use to make some really great posts for social media or for printing. Okay, so this is what you will be greeted with when you open up Spark Post on your mobile device. So at the bottom you will see templates, which is the view that we are looking at now. And you will have the option to create a new post or view previous posts that you've made. At the top you'll see there's a brand option where it will take your brand logo and add it to branded themes. Featured, we were there already. Premium, that is if you have purchased a premium account, you'll be able to see these options of templates. Here we have the collages template. Seasonal, now this checks what time of year it is, and it will find all the different seasonal things that are there as templates for you to be able to choose and use. You have lifestyle, you also have business themes, you also have school themes, travel themes, food, craft, etc. Once you've seen a template that you're happy with, you will obviously select that and continue with your project. However, for now, I am just going to start from scratch. So I'm going to click the green cross at the bottom and I'm going to choose a solid color. Here you've got the options to choose solid color, patterns, photo library. So the images from your photo library, you can select multiple images to create your own collage. You can take a picture with your camera, search for the free photos, which is an excellent option. You have the Adobe Stock option. If you're signed up to an Adobe Stock account, you can choose from those images. And you have the Lightroom option. Again, if you have Lightroom and images saved in Lightroom, then you can do that. And also if you have a Creative Cloud account with images stored there, you can access all of those in one place. So I'm going to choose solid color. Here again, you can see at the bottom, they've given you suggested colors, and obviously there's colors associated with whatever your brand is, your logo, and then you have just other options that you can choose from. So looking at these different colors, I could choose a color, and you can see once I've chosen a color, there's an adjustment option there, so I can click on it and choose by sliding the different options to adjust the color at the top. Give it a more bespoke look, and if I'm happy with that, I would select done. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to select a normal white background. I'm going to click next. Okay, now here you will be presented with the size of your post. So it could be for Instagram, it could be for other social media, it could be that you want it to be printed. So you have different sizes here for letters, posters, cards, A5, A4, A3, and you can also have your custom size as well. So if you know the dimensions of the image that you'd like to print, you would select custom and enter those details there. I'm just going to continue with the Instagram size, and I'm going to click done. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial about how to set up your Adobe Spark Post. In the next video, we are going to have a look at some of the new cool features such as typewriter effects for text animations, as well as how to start designing your project.